Hi, I'm Suzanne Cantor with Techlicious, and I'm here with Andrea Smith.
And we're at the Lenovo showroom at CES 2020. We've got the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold.
So it has a beautiful 2K OLED 13.3-inch display and
a bit of a surprise. This is the world's first foldable PC.
So as you can see, it has this beautiful display, and then when you're ready to use it in more of a laptop mode, you just turn it and then you can bring up an on-screen keyboard. So in a pinch, you're going to be able to do this just with the display, but
you can type right here on the keyboard, or if you are on a plane or in a tight space, you can put this Bluetooth keyboard right on top of it. It attaches with a little bit of magnetic feel here, and you can use this.
So you can close this, and so it becomes a leather portfolio. It has a nice touch and feel to it out here. As you'll notice, there's a little loop here because it comes with a pen, so you're going to be able to do handwriting notes, so very full-featured in terms of an executive laptop.
And as you're traveling or taking this from meeting to meeting with this folio, the keyboard is actually charging inside here from the PC. And then if you're home and you want to have more of a business type setup, you can unfold it, take off the magnetic keyboard, go back to that 13.3-inch screen, and you can either use the optional stand or you can connect an external monitor and a keyboard and have a full-fledged office-type device.
So it's going to be available mid-summer for $24.99.